Now, this is how you can open PDF files from WhatsApp Web on your iPad. So, as you know, the WhatsApp Web is like the web-based version of WhatsApp app, as you know, we don't have any built-in one. So, this is what we gotta do and use. And when you get inside any of the chats which contains PDF, as you can see right here, for example, this one, if you want to just download it or open it up, you can just tap on this and it should open in the new tab, right? If you use Safari, it should open up on the whole page so you can browse and scroll through it, right? So you can see it on the whole page. Interestingly enough, it did not even open up on a new tab. It opened up in the same one, but regardless, we have it on the full screen, right? So I can easily just click it and I can use the Safari sharing features to, I don't know, like save it to files or notes or share it through mail or whatever I like, and then I can just save it, right? So it's easy to open up the web based WhatsApp like PDFs inside of your chats. All you have to do is just to make sure that you are signed in properly, that you can click on the file and it should really just open up, right? If it were for whatever reason doesn't work for you, you can try a different web browser. I'm currently using Safari, but you might as well just try using Google Chrome, as you know, it doesn't really matter that much which one you use. But you just want to make sure that the one that you decide to go with is actually functioning properly. So yeah, that's it from me. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, definitely subscribe to this channel. Hit the thumbs up as well and leave a question below in the comments. It's likely that I'm gonna answer it if it's anything like insightful. So yeah, go ahead and do that and I'll see you in the future video.